Hey guys, what is up? I haven't done a video in a little while. Well, more than a little while, about 3 weeks, I think. I don't know.
As we all know, bears love gooseberries.
Yeah, I see it better now.
It's gonna look like crap whenever you watch it.
Here's what it is.
Yeah, it looks good when it's like that. But then it looks like crap when I upload them, because I'm using my phone. I'm gonna start using my GoPro if I can find it.
We won't know until you show us. I'll keep those submissions coming and see if your creations make it on TV during the Adventure Time Minecraft Special this Friday on your Cartoon Network. Coming up next, it's We Bear Bears.
As the official spokes owl for WGU, I know an ROI.
Return on investment.
Right. Tuition at WGU is half the cost of many other online universities.
Let's run the numbers.
A recent survey found that on average, WGU graduates increase their income by more than $10,000 after graduating. So a WGU degree pays for itself a lot faster.
I'm gonna need some more paper.
So 92. Get a little snack.
If you want a snack, yeah, let's get one now. Then we'll leave your shop.
Okay.
Can you stop this?
Huh?
Can you stop this?
No, don't stop it yet. I'm gonna get a little snack and then I'm gonna do my lantus.
Piggy in the fridge.
Yeah, I'm getting an eat-weight shake.
Where'd you go? The camera lost you. Gary, this kid is ridiculous. Comes out of the shadows like a damn ghost.
Okay, got e-plate. Things are really good, better than glue star though.
Milk mustache.
It's not. It's not milk. Alright, so I'm gonna end the video here. I'm gonna upload another video, upload it, do another video, and then another video from the lantus shot. Alright guys, so peace out. Say peace out, milk mustache. And that